na. Onye obodo. Gịnị eme na? Hey, ni gịnị eme wo? Ka so na gịnị eme? Na calm down, egu kin egu.
Oga respect and make go respect go.
I know you are playing, just give me for 10 minutes. Later no boli young own.
Oga, if I need rekita for how many days? 3 good days kita iri be me.
No, I na so for picture here money.
Fa me. Acha.
Ya, tell me, nkwa, nkwa, me like this. Oga respect go. See very clear.
Oh, like this one, RC Coke. RC? It's from Mark. That is Coca-Cola. Give me please. Let's go.
What? You know, you go to my house.
You know that we are very, very united.
We are united. You're my brother. I come to my house, I eat. I come to your house, I eat. But like for once, I'm going to tell you you're my brother.
Don't worry. Look at what you like give you. Make it not be like say you under understand. But what is one? Because you are eating one.
Okay. About that, take a easy now. Go finish my bread.
You never know. For like 3 days now, never chop.
3 days. Everywhere, if you go, they hear go, they see they kill everybody. Me say don't tire. They kill everybody. If I don't yourself, I nothing talk. If they catch you, they will just slap you. For your phone. And nobody, no wonder. If they need to play, Malaysia. Don't worry, Malaysia. Nigeria no good.
My brother.
Don't worry. If you want to chop, check pure water. Manage this one. Don't carry this one. Don't worry. Are you Nigeria government? Don't worry. What's it for?
Okay, say Bobe.
Okay. Thank you.
Hot Pies, I'm singing this song. I saw them bad boys for their e-locks. A small thing remain guide them for killers. They say we be thieves and we be G-boys. So alaye, I saw them be lost. So the men in black were them sent to protect us. Now them the cause of the hour. The men in black were them sent to protect us. Now them the cause the palaver. Before you know they don't kill him man. And before you go talk and kill another one. And just yesterday they killed a brother man. Mama they cry and papa no fish out though. Officer waiting I do now. I waiting you want to find from my phone now. I rubber did that side.
What?
I'm officer. No, I think that you go that side. If I slap you.
If I slap you, you don't have respect. You are looking on me. You are head to toe. You are telling me the word I said. If I slap you,
If you slap me,
show me your go. You are if I slap. Show me your guy.
Then why know your story? If you claim right, then go shoot it for you.
officer. Are you a bloody civilian? Why are you shouting in my car? Who are you? You people should stop making noise. So what are you saying? Yes.
Nothing. What one say no question for Nigeria. No, look at it. Now you be the other.
Officer.
No. Listen.
211. That's 22.
What do you want to be?
Officer.
See, let me tell you something. It is not before that the youth of Nigeria they are not stand up. But now everybody you stand up in. Hey, you bloody fool, one year. On this side.
Upside down.
I said, on this side, you man.
Upside down. Officer.
So make it on this side. On this side.
Don't worry.
Oh yeah.
He's a bloody civilian. He's a bloody civilian. You are raising your hand.
Ladies and gentlemen, nobody listen to what she left you. Listen to me.
Oh,
See, this is not the former Nigeria. Because the former Nigeria was spoiling.
yes.
Shut up your mouth.
Protect your people.
You have get up. If you mess anyhow, you are gonna mess with you.
Protect your children's heart.
If you do
As I go, làwọn sáàsì bá mú mi, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bú mi. Wọ́n ní mo jọmọ yahoo, mo lanu mo ṣe wàhú. Bí ṣe fẹ́ máa claim right mi, nọ́mbà left mi. Lọ́wọ́ kan, ọpọlọ mi reset mi. Ẹ̀kọ́ lẹ́ máa iPhone, wọ́n gbé mi sínú downfall. Ọlọ́run gbọ́,